Hi guys, I'm Sumesh. Welcome to my channel Smash Hard. Today, just few hours before, Meta launched Llama 3, an open source LLM chatbot which is directly competing against the industry leading LLM chatbots like OpenAI and Gemini. So today what we're going to do is we're going to install Llama 3.1 8 billion parameters version to our local machine. So I have my Mac M1 with a 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. So let's see how we can install Llama 3.1 8 billion parameters into my machine. So without further ado, let's dive deep in. So this is the website where Meta just released Llama 3.1 few minutes back. So here we can see there are three different versions. One with 8 billion parameters which we're gonna install because of my memory limitations. So 8 billion parameters need at least 8 GB of RAM or virtual RAM to run smoothly. So 70 GB, 70 billion and 405 billion parameters needs enormous amount of RAM, which we can do it on a virtual machine for the better results. I'm also gonna show the benchmarks of this. So I will leave this link in the description so you can check it later. So let's dive into the process of installing Llama 3.1 LLM into my local machine. So I'm gonna use a tool called Ollama. So Ollama is a tool which helps the developers to install LLMs to their local machines. So this is the GitHub repo of the Ollama. It is an open source project, which is a very good thing like Llama. So I'm gonna going to this website ollama.com. This is the website where I can see the download option to download the Ollama tool to my machine. So I'm downloading it. So download for Mac OS. And it's done. Opening it, Ollama. Installing it to my machine. Open. So I fairly believe guys, this total local setup will not exceed more than 5 minutes because of this Ollama tool. Ollama tool is like more handy when it comes to install the popular LLMs to our local machines. So I can see Ollama is running here. Can also see the Ollama tool. So once it starts running, we can go to the terminal and type the command Ollama. We can find we can find the command directly here. No need to type our own command. Ollama run 3. So here we're gonna run 3.1. So just add 3.1 Ollama run Llama 3.1 and type enter. So what this command is gonna do is that it's gonna download the 8 billion parameter. As you can see, it's like 4.7 gigabytes. So this is downloading it from Hugging Face, I believe. So it is making a copy to a local machine. It just took me like less than 3 minutes for the Llama 3.1 8 billion parameter model to get downloaded to my machine, and I can see send a message prompt. So now I can send any text and the LLM chatbot is gonna give me the reply. So hello. So this whole LLM is completely running on my MacBook, which is powered by M1, which has 8 GB of RAM. So the most important factor deciding the performance of this LLM chatbot is my memory. So I have 8 GB of RAM. So it is better enough for my current model, which is 8 billion parameters, to run smoothly. But it's still, uh, we can improve the performance by adding more RAM to our machine, which is technically not possible for a Mac, but we can try to do the virtual machine with virtual RAM. So let me ask a simple question. What is your favorite color? So right now we have our own personal chatbot which will not share any personal data with any other third parties. So this is how we can install a Llama 3.1 8 billion parameter in just less than 5 minutes to our local machine. So I did for Mac. I believe you can also do it for Windows and Linux. Uh, I can show the website where you can find all the details. You can see Linux and Windows as well, where you can download Ollama tool and test it out. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching and let me know your feedback in the comment section. So see you and bye bye.